So how can you remotely install apps on your Android device without even touching it? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. First, make sure you have a good internet connectivity in your phone, and then you can go ahead from there and open Play Store. From here, make sure that the other device that you want to remotely install apps in is connected to the same Gmail account in this device, just like that. Once you make sure that is done, go ahead and quit this window and search for the app that you want to download. So you can scroll down in this list, or you can just search for the app if you have one in mind. Let's say I want to install Telegram. I go ahead and search for it. And now next to the install button, there is this new arrow down button, and that's the one you're looking for. You can tap it from there or tap on Telegram to open it, and then tap on this button again next to install. Once you tap there, you get all the Android devices connected to that Gmail account. So just pick one. You can pick more than one, but at least have one selected. So let's say I only want the Huawei one, so I tap on it and then tap on install, and just like that, this app Telegram will be installed in that device. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.